Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the $20 origami ring using a ideally fresh, crisp $20 bill. In my other ones, I showed the $1. I'm going to do the 50, the 100, and the 10. Not doing the 5 because this is what the 5 ends up looking like. It gets cut off, so I'm not really thrilled about that. Now, unless you can find a really old $5 bill when they looked like this, then it works. Plus, it's kind of cool because you hardly ever see these anymore. They're almost probably all out of circulation. So with the 20, which is my least favorite of the bunch because it tends to run a little tight and it's even hard to get on my pinky finger. And my hands are like a typical medium-sized hand. Nevertheless, this is how you do it. So you take your 20, you're going to look at the back side, and this is the 20. That's the 20 you're going to use. So step 1, you're going to turn it face up and fold back on the line. Try not to fold it into the actual ink of the 20. And then again, you're going to fold it over again, meeting these edges up here. And a third time, so where it's still facing up, like so. And it should be fairly even. That's why it helps to have a crisp, newer bill. All right, next step, to make the face of the ring, you're going to fold down the edge just past the 0. Try not to cut into the ink too much. And then on the other side of the 2 for the 20, so that's going to be your face. Then, to size it, you're going to go right around the N and the T on the 20, do a right angle fold, like so. And then you're going to kind of roll it back against itself, like so. And then bring the edge over, bring your face down, tuck this part under here like so. And again, it's almost like the face is a little too wide for the rest of it, so it doesn't like to stay under very well. And take this part, go through the ring, make it nice and tight. And then you have to take this excess bit here and tuck it under the face of the 20 from the top, which can be kind of probably the hardest part. Let's take this other one off. Okay, so we got it all tucked in and it's ready to go on. Actually, I made this one feels a little bit looser. Still pretty tight. Pinky's about as far as I can do. So there you go. $20 ring finger.